All right, welcome everyone. We are diving into something really special today, a huge opportunity for all you professionals out there in monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. We're going to be looking at how you can seriously level up your data skills, taking you from the kind of analysis you do every day all the way to machine learning, using an absolutely incredible tool called R. So, if you're in the MEL field, you already know the deal. You're living in the data day in and day out. You're trying to wrangle these huge amounts of information, find that story hidden inside, and then you have to present it in a way that actually helps people make decisions. It's a massive challenge, no doubt, but it's also where you can have a huge impact. Let me ask you, does this sound like your typical Tuesday? You're designing these really intricate surveys, then you're diving headfirst into these super complex data sets, and then comes the really tough part. You've got to translate all of that into a report that somebody can actually understand and use. If you're nodding your head right now, you are in exactly the right place. And we have all been there, right? Staring at a giant spreadsheet, just thinking, how on earth do I make this data tell a compelling story? If you're looking to get past those basic bar charts and really create visuals that sing, visuals that answer the tough questions in those demanding reports, well, stick around. So, what's the solution here? What's the path forward? Well, we're talking about a practical, hands-on, expert-led session that's designed to give you the tools and, just as importantly, the confidence to really elevate the work you're doing. And the heart of this solution is the programming language R. Now, if you haven't heard of it, R is this free, unbelievably powerful piece of software that was literally built for statistical computing, data analysis, and creating just stunning graphics. Honestly, it's what the serious data pros use. And the learning journey here is laid out so logically. You're going to start with the absolute basics, getting comfortable with R and RStudio. Then you dive right into the practical stuff, working with that messy, real-world data we all see in the MEL field. After that, you get your hands dirty with analysis and visualization. And finally, you get an introduction to the future, using machine learning in your everyday work. Of course, a workshop is only as good as its teachers, right? And in this case, you're going to be learning from two incredibly experienced professionals who've been in the trenches. They know exactly what challenges you're up against. Your main facilitator is going to be M. Yassine Ali Sarkar, a genuine expert in this space, with a background that is, frankly, incredibly impressive. Just listen to this. We're talking about over 17 years as a MEL professional. He has led the entire MEL system for huge, large-scale programs supported by USAID. He was a senior team leader at CARE Bangladesh. The key thing here is, he's not just some data guru. He deeply understands the unique context of our work, which makes all the difference. In guiding the session, keeping everything on track, will be the moderator, MD Alongir Hussain. He's not just a skilled professional himself, but he's also the visionary founder of the organization that's putting this all together. Alamgir also brings this incredible wealth of experience, having worked with major organizations like World Vision and Transparency International. And as the founder and CEO of the Digital MEL Hub, he's totally dedicated to building this community. And just look at that skill set. Power BI, Python, SPSS, Kobo Toolbox. He gets the entire digital ecosystem that powers modern M&E. You know, this session isn't just some random one-off event. It's actually part of a much bigger mission, and it's powered by this really vibrant global community. And that community is the Digital MEL Hub. Its mission is really simple but so powerful. Connect M&E and research pros from every corner of the globe to build a strong, supportive, and sustainable network where we can all learn and grow together. This is the organization that's making it all possible. It's so much more than just a place for training. It's a real community builder. And believe me, this community is growing like crazy. We're already talking about more than 2,500 registered members who are connected and learning from each other right now. But what's maybe even more amazing is the global reach. Those 2,500 members, they come from over 120 different countries. This is a genuinely worldwide network of your peers. So what does it actually mean to be part of the hub? Well, for starters, membership is completely free and it's open to everybody. The whole focus is on building that community through regular webinars, training, and just sharing knowledge. It's a platform for learning from each other and for real professional development, but on a global scale. Okay, so if you're feeling inspired and you want in on this, here are the crucial details you need to know to join this fantastic learning opportunity. So the session is called R for MEL Professionals. It's happening on January 31st, 2026 at 8:30 p.m. GMT plus 6. And maybe the best part of all? It's completely 100% free. This is all about making top-tier knowledge accessible to everyone in our field.
And let's just end on this one thought, because it's so important. Learning a new skill like R is amazing, it's so valuable, but doing it as part of a community, that's what really accelerates your career. Connection is what turns knowledge into real opportunity. So I'll just leave you with this question. What new connection could you make that might just change your entire professional path?